Alright, so I'm just gonna start from the top here. I'm at my dental office, and they have a couple of good air conditioners on this room. First of all, here's a carrier base model. Sounds like junk. I don't particularly like base models, but it's whatever. Manual inverter. And here's a bit smaller than last time, so you can see that. It'd be nice to get started with a shutdown, I guess. And up here we have a little bit of a nicer find. Another base model, but don't really care about that. Here is a Bryant Quantum Plus. Now, last time I was here I did take the top, but I got permission from my dental office, so that's okay. Now, I am just gonna, and I was just in there now. They have the thing set to like 73, so it's actually working pretty well. Just trying to kick this moss that's growing. Hopefully when they service this thing. There you go. Very nice unit. I hope this thing lives for a while. Really hot air. Sounds really nice. These are really good. Nice shutdown. Wow. I love this unit. Wonder what compressor it has. Hold on. Let's wait for it to shut down. I'm just gonna pull all the pine needles out of the unit. Because there's a lot of... Okay. So now this shut down. Oh, it's got a, you know, scroll thing in it. I mean, compressor blanket. Sorry. Now, I'm gonna go up the row here too, because there's more air conditioners. Too embarrassing. Okay, so another base model, obviously. Here is, it's bigger. And here's a York LX series. A nice one. Let's see. Can't make out what kind of compressor. The line is not really empty. Damn. Okay, this coil is clogged up. Just look at that. I literally, so I touched the liquid line and it freaking burnt me. That is so hot. And the liquid line is not cold at all. Can't make out, and like the air is so hot and it's blowing up the sides. That obviously needs to be serviced. Okay, here's another crappy base one. Literally sounds like junk. Base models. Anyways. I'm escaping those because I just don't like them. Here seems to be an ICP of some kind. Ooh, it's a comfort maker, okay. So that means I was right. Copeland. So many base models. Here seems to actually be a fridge in it. Damn, that is blowing out hot as hell air. God. Yeah. Almost hurts to put my face in it. Okay. That one is cold.